Part of my nightly routine is collecting eggs for my next day breakfast. Having chickens, just living holistically and naturally is one of the best things you can do. Apart from like the natural healthy food that you raise on your own, but mental health wise, right? Coming out here give me a break and it gives me a reset from beyond being behind the computer, work. Some days I need like that mental break. In doing so, it recharges me to be able to come back even harder and provide more value for my people, because I've recharged mentally, physically, emotionally, and nutritionally. I'm not necessarily saying have a backyard full of like farm animals, but find that means to get a mental break and recharge. And there's nothing better than getting a mental break than out here